and today I will start with Ethereum. I hope everyone had a wonderful week this week. It's still very cold in here, unfortunately. But for now, let's start with the chart. This is Ethereum, this is the weekly chart. And what do we see? Last week we had two green weeks, and today it's starting to be red. I will make the lines visible again from last week. I will change to the daily now. So, yeah, the resistance last week was around 1279. We had a pullback till the 1220. We held a little higher than expected for now, and now we try to break the level again. So I will remove the chart from last week. Yeah, a lot of resistance at the 1300 area. Yeah, this is the 4-hour chart. What do we see? Rejection, 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 another rejection. So this 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we are again at the resistance at 1276 area. So what can we expect for now? The lows. What do we see with the lows here? A low, and higher low, another higher low. With the high here, was a low and high, higher low, higher high. So for now it's kind of a decision time. What will happen? Will we see a new higher high? Yes or no? If yes, then we will test the 1417 area. And if not, then we can either expect another bounce from the 1220 area, or all the way back till 1168 area. So yeah, the next few days will tell where are we going. From Ethereum, I will switch to Cortex versus Bitcoin. Cortex versus the Bitcoin. Let me draw in some levels for now. had a nice upwards rally this week. I was in the trade. I already took profit too. Yeah, that was the last few days. We had a 169% profit. That's very nice. Okay. Let's try to find a new entry. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So either you go for the aggressive one, less aggressive one, or the most defensive one. I prefer the most defensive one. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. Then we will find another asset to take some profits. Yeah, the most defensive one, that's a nice trade, more than 40%. If you go for the aggressive one, then yeah, we still don't know. For now, it should be around 20%. Yeah, okay. I think around 571 Satoshi will be the best entry. Yeah, the most defensive entry. From Cortex, we will go to basic fit of stock. It is December, so next month, the 1st of January, everyone will start with the best new interests for the year, and most of the people will probably want to lose some weight and be fit. So let's see if we can find an entry here. This is the weekly chart. Yeah. From the weekly, we will switch to the daily. Okay. We hold around the 2170. There's a gain from the last drop-off point around $26 area. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. We are trying to find a higher low. So either this was the higher low, 2370 area, or around 2240. And then we can try to break the 2686 area again. If we break this area, this level, then you can re-enter after the gain, because the next push will probably be till the 32 area, and that is how much? Almost 19%. And if you start from the most defensive one, that's more than 40%, 41, 42%. But here you can re-enter only after the gain. From basic fit, we will go to Lympo versus USDT. This is the weekly chart. Doesn't look good. But who knows? The RR is nice. We are at all-time lows area. I will switch to the daily. Let's go through the history. In the past, people bought it up from the all-time low, and let's see how much gains. More than 800%. That was a nice one. 2019, someone did it again, 317. That's not so much as the other one before, but still good. In 2020 again, 408%. Okay. This will be the resistance area, 0.002 cent. And the area to gain, of course. So what do we see on the daily chart? We try to hold the 0.0011 cent. I will change to the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, we have the low and high, and higher low, and higher high, and the gain, 4 hour gain, yeah. Yeah. I think the 0.001186 area is a nice area to re-enter. We also have a gain from this one. Okay. The 0.001240 will be the aggressive entry, and the 0.001186 will be the passive entry, defensive entry. This is a high risk one. So either it will bounce from here and try to break the 0.001482, or you pick the most defensive one. Let's see how much it is. From the aggressive entry, it will be 19%. From the defensive one, 24. I will pick the defensive one. And if we manage to gain the 0.001482, then the next one is 0.002. That is 40%. So you can also decide to play the breakout either after the gain, re-enter, to play the breakout. Okay, that was Lympo. And from Lympo, we will go to Bitcoin. This is the weekly chart. From this, what can we see? We see the third green week. And the difference with Ethereum is Ethereum is already in red and Bitcoin is still in green. But it's a small one. Huh? So nothing much happened this week. I will make the chart visible. And from the weekly we change to the daily. Yeah, it ranged the whole week. It ranged the whole week between 16,800 and 17,200. From the daily we change to the 4 hour. Okay, what do we see and what can we expect? I will remove this one, this played out. This was the first time that the level has been tested. And here has been tested again for the second time. Higher than expected. And now we are at resistance area. The construction is still valid. Low, high, high, low, and a higher high. And we try to find another higher low. And that's the question. Was this the higher low, yes or no? And is this lower high instead of a higher high? So be aware. If the coming days the construction is still valid. This is a possible reversal. So be aware. What can we expect? Oh, wait. For now. Yeah. So what can we expect? Again, pullback and try to break the 18,500 area. And if not, then we will probably try to bounce from 16,800 with a try to break it again. Or we will try to bounce from the 16,438 area. Yeah. Then the higher low scenario is still valid. And why? Because if this was the higher low, this will be a higher high, and this will be the higher low. Yeah, okay. So that was Bitcoin for this week. I want to thank you guys for watching this week's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash the like button. Smash the like button if you like this content. If you want to see more content, please follow me on Twitter. You will find it in the descriptions down below. Thank you guys. Have a nice evening and cheers. See you all in the next one. Bye.